What's up everyone? Ryan Lane with Lane's Barbecue. Today we are making some Pow Pow Brussels sprouts. Hey, even if you don't like vegetables, there's enough goodness in this to make you happy. All right, so what we've done is just taken a little 2-pound bag of Brussels sprouts, chop them up. All we do is we just cut off the tips, cut it in half, and then we've got some diced red onion, some pineapple that we're gonna add at the end, and then 4 slices of bacon. So we're gonna add these red onions to the Brussels. Go ahead and get them seasoned up with some of our Honey Sriracha. Put that in there. And then we're gonna start by cooking off some bacon in the skillet. All right, so we got these Brussels going. We're gonna get the bacon started first. We've got a cast iron skillet we're gonna put on the grill. We're just gonna saute this off before we add the Brussels and the onions. All right, we got the bacon. It's about 1/3 of the way there. It's starting to get some color on it. So we don't want to overcook it before we add the Brussels. So we got our Brussels and onions adding to the pan. Now we've got got that bacon fat in there with them. All right, leave these on and get them cooked through. All right, time for the secret ingredient. This is one that everyone's gonna be like, what is that I taste? You're like, it's magic from Lane's. Here we go, it's the Pow Pow. Just gonna add that to it. Oh yeah. It's gonna give it an awesome color, amazing flavor, that teriyaki, pineapple. Oh, it's perfect. All right, we got our Pow Pow sprouts. We'll bite with some pineapple, some bacon. Oh yeah. Can't wait to add some of that salmon on there too. Here we go. The greatest way to eat vegetables is with bacon. You can thank us later. Oh, good.